Welcome back to my channel. This is another unboxing. So this is for those glasses, the RAYBAN Facebook stories, I think they call them. So we're gonna open these up. So they just come like this. So there's different, see, Facebook stories, there's different glasses of these out there. So there's like 3 different styles, I believe. So okay, so let's open it up. So the style I got, it's meteor. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but this is in the green shiny black. So that's what I got it. It comes like this. Okay, so I'm guessing you pull it out this way. Okay. Sorry, I haven't seen any unboxings on how to open this, so I'm gonna figure it out myself. Nope. I'm gonna break this. Okay, let's see. Okay, looks like I got it. You're supposed to push this in like this. Okay, there we go, like this. Okay, there we go. Whoa. So what I was pulling, I should have been pulling, because if you do what I did and pull, you're gonna break the box. So this is it. How they look. You guys can kind of see a little bit better. So this is the box. So it comes with, it says download the Facebook View app. So I have to download an app. And then it looks like it comes with the charger to the glasses. And let's see what's in here. Okay, so safety and warranty, and they come with the baggie. So it looks like you can use this baggie to put the glasses in, and you could use... Okay, so these are how the glasses look. They do have a camera on the side. The other side is the light. You could answer phone calls, and they're really easy. You just have to follow the instructions of the app. I am going to insert some footage that I filmed on vacation using these for the first time. So just take a look at the quality. I tried to film people and also the ocean, so you guys can kind of see how it looks.